Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a great start to your week. Today, I wanted to highlight a single design that is evergreen, which is what I think makes it so special, that is doing about $10,500 in monthly revenue. Of course, based on sales velocity, which we know is subject to change on a day-to-day basis, that number could change. But I did want to highlight this shirt because, again, for an evergreen to be doing as well as this shirt is currently doing as of recording this video, I think we can definitely have a couple things that we can take away from it, maybe learn from it. Also, I did want to mention anybody who saw top 5 niches of the week yesterday. I did mention that 9/11's 20th anniversary was, the shirts were already selling extremely well. And I recommended selling in those niches in order to, make some sales because that's where a lot of customers are looking. I would like to retract that. I apologize, but for whatever reason, it doesn't look like Amazon is letting people submit anything new to those niches. So I don't know how the initial designs got through based on my, I don't want to say analysis and make it seem like I did like some data science type thing, but it looks like some of them are being removed just from when I was doing the research to today. So I would just like to apologize if anybody got a rejection for that. Like I don't work for Merch by Amazon, so I have the same tools at my disposal that you do when it comes to like trying to figure out if these niches are safe. So I did just want to apologize to anybody that maybe got a rejection for that. I would recommend staying away because it appears like it's no longer allowed to submit shirts in that niche. Okay. All right, let's get started with this video. Really quickly, I wanted to plug the free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be selected, and they will win a license to Flying Research, print-on-demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print-on-demand design creation automation, All-American Graphics, premium Premade graphics to help you with your designs, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You can find a link to the giveaway at the top of the description. All right, let's check out this t-shirt. So this is the shirt. It says, "Breaking news, I don't care." And what's interesting about this shirt, above all else, is that it's evergreen and that it was first available in 2017. I mean, I would have expected this shirt to have been posted in like 2020 or 2021, right? Because it feels like the news is just getting kind of shoved down your throat everywhere you look, right? But anyways, this was 2017. And this shirt, for whatever reason, I mean, check out the graph here from Helium 10. By the way, I can put a link to Helium 10 if you guys are wondering how I can see the BSR history of this shirt. Helium 10, you can create a free account. You don't have to put a credit card or anything, and they will give you access to this data if they have it available. So, as you can see here, if I change the timeline to about 30 days, we'll notice that, what was it, about a month ago, sales rank 344,000. And as recently as the 8th of this month, which is roughly 15 days ago, so 2 weeks ago, BSR of 360,000. So, and went as high as actually 600K. Okay, but ever since then, it's just kind of been on a tear. I don't know if it's multiple people buying multiple of the same shirt. Like, I've had a couple times where, I don't know if like why 20 is the magic number, but I've sold 20 shirts to a single customer, and I've had that multiple times. I know, super lucky, right? And of all numbers, 20 to be repeated. It's weird, but maybe he's having, or he or she's having multiple sales of like a high quantity to a single person. Of course, that's when you see like a really steep drop off in BSR and it's like a straight line. That could be what it is indicating, right? It's probably more likely that one customer, in my mind anyways, that one customer will buy multiple as opposed to a bunch of people all arriving on this listing at the same time that wasn't even amongst the best sellers yet. It is now. According to Flying Research right now, it's the #1 bestseller. So that's why I wanted to show you guys. Actually, no, it was #2, but the design that was #1 appears to have been removed off of Amazon. If you guys want to see it, I'll see if it loads over here on my side monitor, and I can show you what the design was, but it looks like it got removed. Yeah, no, it's not going to load. It was something to do with like boxing. It said best in the world, and I don't know what it was in reference to, but that they may have gotten their account terminated because that design looked like it was brand new. And well, here, I can just show you. Let me zoom in. You see this design right here on the left-hand side? That one came out of nowhere and is removed, so they probably were up to no good if I had to guess. Okay, so what can we learn from this one, though? It looks like it went from 260,000 BSR and just dropped all the way down to 24,000, where it's been pretty steady, climbed as high as 131,000 BSR, but today currently BSR of 30,000 with Jungle Scout projecting. By the way, Jungle Scout, not a big print on demand tool, but great for FBA, especially when you're doing your product research. And because I have been doing FBA since late 2016, early 2017, I've had my lifetime license to Jungle Scout, so it's kind of useful for doing these videos. But you can see here, price $16.98. According to Jungle Scout's projections based on the BSR, they're projecting about, currently, at the current BSR, 61 sales a day, bringing in that monthly revenue at about $10,500. Crazy, right? I mean, if that's what's so special about Merch by Amazon, guys. Again, we don't have to worry about the inventory. We don't have to worry about the production, right? They've already got the warehousing, they've got the inventory, they've got all the variations of shirts, so they got the different colors and sizes, and they've got the staff to work the machines that also are quite expensive. So if all of a sudden we have a shirt that, you know, if we look at all time, like it was probably making a couple sales a month, if that, in the past. And then after 4 years, all of a sudden, one day, you know, the BSR goes down to 30,000 and below. And all of a sudden, the sales are through the roof. If this was FBA and we're responsible for keeping this inventory in stock, we'd be in trouble. You know what I mean? Because you can't just snap your fingers and get more inventory to FBA. And if you do it as FBM, you're going to have to ship it yourself, and you don't really want to get stuck drop shipping, because if you get in trouble with taking too long to ship them, or shipping in general, if you ship from like China or something and it may take a while, you know, that could result in you getting your account in trouble. So with Amazon merch, like I said, we don't have to worry about any of that headache, and we get paid a royalty on every sale. It's crazy. Notice I haven't even spent a lot of time on the niche of the shirt. I don't think the niche matters, because this is an evergreen shirt. If anybody knows, by the way, why, again, a shirt from 2017 is selling as well as this one is right now, like, is there a news story that everybody's tired of hearing? I wouldn't even know, because I don't pay that much attention to the news. I mean, I definitely keep my finger on the pulse of what's going on, but I don't like somebody to spin things and try to get me to, I don't like it when people want to frame how I see something. That I like to be objective, right? So I like to make my own mind up. That's why I have like certain sources that I prefer to listen to as opposed to like mainstream news. But anyways, something about this shirt. I mean, the design, by the way, can we just take a second and appreciate it? The design of this shirt is very easy to execute. There's no graphic design really expertise required to do what I would consider to be text only. You've got at the very top there, you've got white text and then black text with different color backgrounds. You got the red and the yellow. They did do a slight angle. Probably they just Googled like what CNN or whatever news network uses breaking news, and they just looked at the colors and said, all right, I'm going to approximate that we're going to do about a red and a yellow box. We're going to put the black text on the yellow box, the white text on the red box. And then underneath it, what did they do? They said, I don't care. But look, I hate to hammer this home as much as I do, because I know you guys are tired of hearing it, but like, look how big the text is. You know what I mean? Like, we could put 1,000 people in a room and say, all right, all 1,000 of you make a version of this design. And I'm going to favor the ones that look like this, the big, bold, easy to read ones, the ones that when you're scrolling through Amazon and there's almost 50 search results on one page, the one that catches your eye first. And I would say that at a minimum, this one, it's not going to... It checks the boxes. It checks the boxes of things that I think matter most, right? You've got the breaking news, you got the color scheme, you got the all caps. Could this be improved upon? The one thing that stands out to me is the vertical spacing between I don't and the line that says care. I would just match it to the vertical spacing between breaking news. But clearly people don't matter, because this is already selling pretty darn well as it is. It's got 19 reviews. So given that this was posted in 2007, or sorry, 2007, what am I saying? 2017, if it was 2007, that'd be crazy. But 19 reviews since 2017, 19 reviews in 4 years. I mean, this shirt has been making consistent sales, but it's not making anybody rich until right now, where out of the blue, it just seems to really have seen a massive spike in demand, which again, it's amazing because we outsource the fulfillment and collect a royalty. So it doesn't even matter to us from a headache perspective. We don't even have to do customer service. So yeah, guys, Merch by Amazon, great opportunity. You guys already knew that, but yeah, this shirt is doing extremely well, and this is the dream. This is the dream. When they posted this shirt in 2017, do you think they expected to see crazy sales in August of 2021? My guess is no. But with Merch by Amazon, it's possible. And with an evergreen shirt too, you know, so this could take place any day of any month of any year. It's not tied to any specific holiday, you know what I mean? Date and time. So this is what I aim to do. When I'm uploading to Merch by Amazon and doing my niche research, I don't sweat the niche research too much. Granted, I'm in tier 200,000, so my upload slots aren't as high value to me with 200,000 of them as it would be to you with 25 or 100 upload slots, right? Or 10 upload slots. Sorry for everybody in tier 10. I hope you guys get out of there as soon as possible. But anyways, guys, you get where I'm going with this. Evergreens, right? Shirts that can make you money, even if it's one sale a month, right? One sale a month, you know, let's say it's $19.99. So we just say 5.23 times 12, $62 of profit a year per shirt that can make one sale a month at $19.99. Right? And then you just build your repertoire. You just keep going. You just keep building that catalog up as much as possible. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts below on this shirt. What's your best-selling evergreen? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Before you go, I did want to remind you that I have a free 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course. If you would like to take advantage, all I need is your email address. You can find a link in the description. Also, while you're down there, check out my Merch by Amazon Facebook community, which is growing rapidly. Tons of great discussion takes place there every single day. Lots of people helping each other out. So it'd be awesome to have you there. And last but not least, I did write a full course on how I took my merch account from tier 10 to tier 200,000. It's a beast of a course. It covers everything, literally the full spectrum, niche research, design, Merch by Amazon specific tier to tier strategy. So if you want to check that out, guys, link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.